Okay, we're live. Oh my god, okay. Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're back with Kayla and an audience behind the camera because today we're doing, I'm just waiting around so this is fine. Because today we have a massive unboxing. How many days has it been?
25.
25? Has it really?
Yes, it was 25.
It's been 25 days, but we got our conspiracy mini controversy, the Shane Dawson, Jeffree Star collaboration. We ordered way too much stuff that we didn't get a colored box, is the issue of today.
Ooh.
Okay, audience, here we go. Can you just cut towards you?
Need a box.
No, scissors are fine.
You just got a box.
I think so. I got one in an art class.
I do, that's what I normally use. Okay. Oh! Ooh! Look at
So look at the
this.
wrapping paper.
Show the audience.
Maybe I should say that and use it for Christmas.
I know.
I have no wrapping supplies.
Oh my god, there's so much of it.
Oh, dear.
This is what we do.
Your present.
Okay, first cut is this the, I don't even know what it is. We're gonna scoop that there. Don't knock over my water. I have my iconic drink. Oh, this is
The
my,
bundle!
it's the bundle. I don't want to ruin the wrapping paper, it's pig.
It's really cute.
But alas, it'll make it ruined.
Did you show the camera the wrapping?
Oh, sorry. So here's the wrapping with the pig and the, what is this, Shane Dawson's logo. Oh, touch it.
Cute! It won't focus. That's okay. It's so beautiful.
It smells so fresh.
I've already seen it because they have.
I know, but
Ooh, that's nice.
audience oohs and agreements.
Thanks, audience.
Okay. I think it smells so great.
Wow.
Ooh, so
Yes.
ASMR.
Mine didn't have one.
It didn't? Weird. Kristen hasn't taken off the one on the mirror.
I wouldn't want to either.
Sue. Get
Ooh,
I'm gonna cry.
cry, please do.
So excited. So scent.
It smells, no it's not. It smells like fresh box. Like everything we've been waiting for. Oh my god.
I wish that it smelled like
I don't know how to swatch.
Anyone in the audience knows?
Does anyone know how to swatch? I don't know how to swatch. I'm like, what color? Favorite color to swatch.
This one.
Okay, we're gonna do sleep paralysis because that's.
Oh, that's good.
I want to like just.
Straight in your eyes.
I'm like I didn't bring any like makeup remover, so.
Kristen did food videos as an eyeliner on me and it stayed for like 24 hours.
Wait, is it really?
No, it's gone now.
You can look at my finger. That helps too.
Love
It's
great.
perfect. Well, now the logo's all messed up, but it's fine. I love the packaging. It's so nice.
Is there anything there?
No.
Yeah.
I love this.
It's live.
It's live.
Live studio.
I know, it's like filming from live studio.
Bring
audience.
snacks.
This is what we all
Okay,
do.
I'm not gonna close that. That's too much work. Is yours your original?
Yes. I can open it in the background since they've already seen it. It has a pretty logo. Good job.
Yeah!
I did? What did I drop?
What?
What did I drop?
I heard something.
I heard a dink. You're from the first hour and a half of people waiting in line to get
Yeah.
Can we leave all this paper on the ground?
Sure.
this. Sure. Okay, up next. Legs.
Ah.
Yes. We got legs.
I didn't know we could hold those.
You need to try it on, obviously.
Honestly.
I'm like, how do you? This looks so nice.
So
I don't go to the gym, but I will rep it all the time.
Quality.
And then of course we got the jacket as well, because we need full suit. I'll just wear this to dance tonight.
You should.
I would sweat my life into this. like hidden pockets
It's the
inside.
inside feel.
It's nice. It's like,
It
do y'all feel it?
Yeah.
It's kind of soft. It's not like crazy.
It's like slightly.
Yeah. What's that? Is that the mirror?
Probably. Wait, how do you open it? Oh, it's a sticker. Never mind. The packaging is so amazing. Like that's.
Ooh. Like a mom.
Right? I feel like a mom. This thing is so, whoa, it's so much bigger than the Star. Like, no offense, but the Star was not very big. You can look at yourself and everyone.
Studio audience. Has zebra cakes.
So now we can actually do our makeup with a mirror and not a palette.
I wanted to sell fans. I
That'd
don't know if
be
that's
great.
a thing, but it should
That
be.
would be great. James
Yeah.
Charles sells
Please take
fans,
my
but we
money.
don't talk about
If he
it.
can sell pillows of someone's face, then like he
I
can sell fans.
watched the vlog from Colleen's birthday weekend fundraiser thing, her sleepover party, and Nikita was like throwing shade at James,
Ooh.
but like it was like fun shade. She
That's a
was,
lot.
yeah,
Floss and the balm.
and the bomb. I'm like, I think
This is what you wanted. Sad.
I want to smell this.
Diet Shane. Yeah.
The Andrew.
Are you filming? Yeah. Is it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, are you filming?
So nice.
I can't open this.
Focus.
There we go.
I wasn't successful that last
That's
time, and
okay.
I'm not successful now.
Ooh. I love the coloring on this. Does it smell like Diet Cola?
Kind of. Kind of smells more like vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
Vanilla sniff.
Everyone come take a sniff.
Pass around. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Maybe like this.
I'm like, it's chapstick. Does it swatch well?
This is.
It tastes like root beer.
So excited.
That's so
Oh my
fun.
gosh. Oh, it's just
That's a
lid.
lid.
It smells like,
It's less soda-y than I was expecting, which is nice. Mm-hmm. It's kind of vanilla-y, root beer-y.
it's like,
Like a flirt.
it's like, yeah.
It reminds me of the, what's the thing in Seattle?
Oh,
Space
Space
Needle?
Needle.
It tastes exactly like Diet root beer. That's
Nice.
amazing. Oh, it smells like that. It does smell like soda.
I'm like,
Thoughts?
can I smell my own
Yeah, probably.
I don't know. But like all his other glosses are supposed to smell like creme brulee. And so I'm like,
That's true.
I will always use this now. And the gloss. Do I put gloss on top of chap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Weird.
I don't know how to gloss.
Get on my phone.
Buys mirror and doesn't use it.
Last time I did this, it was green. Remember?
Yep.
He's like, I don't want to look at myself. I don't want to admit how I look.
Yeah, look.
Nice.
Am I beautiful? Am I beautiful? Let me look at myself in the mirror. No. My lips don't even look like that glossy, which is fine by me. It's like, I think they were saying how it's supposed to look like a sun, like a wet lip. Is that everything?
It was supposed to come with like a photo card.
Was it?
Okay.
I don't know if it did. Maybe that was what fell on the ground. Ah! Wait, there it is.
It's like hidden away.
People were like, I'm gonna put this on my wall.
I'm gonna put this in a frame, put it on my wall.
Ooh.
So here we got this. Okay, well, that's everything. We've made a big mess. So that is it. Ugh, I have so much stuff now. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Thank you, live audience, for being here. Yay!
And shredded cheese. Just like YouTube.
Just like, I love it. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. How does it look? Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in to whenever I do another video because you also know I'm super inconsistent and I have a video saved but I never posted it. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye. I can't reach the camera. Is it still,
I
no,
think it's still
going.
going.
Oh,
Awkward.
whatever, it's fine. You can click any button. I'm sure it'll stop.
I'm so hungry.
When you see me clap my hands, get my Beyonce fan.
Someone what?
An advent calendar
Ooh, that'd be cool. What is it? Like 12 days of
of like
Lipstick?
lipstick. Yeah, lipsticks.
what's the
Yeah,
sample
I'll-
size?
That's so cute.
Okay.
Trisha swatches.
We are. Oh,
It's true, but it stains.
It stains. You like
Mine doesn't
I gotta
have the same
smell.
feel.
Loser.
Don't touch the mirror.
How do I put it back?
Wow.
That's how I put it
I'm gonna
back.
restock. I'm gonna buy that.
Got it. Just look at myself. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the shallowest person in this hall? Oh.
Oh, another taker.
Yikes. Imagine if I gotten 2 mirrors. Yikes.
Pink one next.
I'm still so upset that I didn't get the bag, the makeup bag. It's fine. Everything was released at different times and I needed to check out because I needed to go.